Hello, Leute, we get this. So, today we are discussing one very important topic, and that is B1 speaking. So, what are the usual themes, okay, given to you? And then you can talk on certain points that we are going to see here. In earlier video, part one, we had seen a family cooking together. That was the theme, that was the topic. And suppose you have to talk on that topic, then this is the next topic, you can say next theme. So in today's video we'll see part 2 of B1 speaking test and how to speak there, right? Maybe with your partner, or if some questions asked by the examiner, how to answer them, that we are going to see it here. So one sample topic we are going to see. I'll share one screen with you. Then you will get to know. So what are the usual like common topics which are given to you in B1 exam that we are going to see here. Now, if you see here, you can see one photo, one picture in which one man is standing at the railway station with backpack, his rucksack. Okay. So we'll see how to speak about this picture. Suppose one card is given to you. On that card, this picture is there, right? So you will have to talk about this picture, correct? So and then suppose it is a partner based activity, you will have to ask your partner about this picture, right? About this topic. So let's start. Now here, as I told you, there is a photo, and in that one man is standing with his backpack, with his luggage on the station. Er hat einen Rucksack with him. He has a backpack with him. Vielleicht wartet auf den Zug. Maybe he's waiting for the train. These sentences are like sample sentences. You can add yours too. Okay, just for your reference, I have given these sentences. Im Hintergrund sieht man Gleise, meaning in the background. Hintergrund is background. You can see railway tracks, right? On that basis, you can think, okay, that he's waiting at the railway station. Das Wetter ist sonnig, the weather is sunny. Ich denke, der Mann möchte reisen oder jemanden abholen. Okay, now you are saying that I think that that man would like to travel, or he has come to pick someone. Yemandan is someone, abholan, to pick up. So these are the possibilities that you are thinking and you are telling your examiner. Fragen an deinen Partner stellen. Ask your partner questions. Suppose this is a partner-based activity. Now, if you can ask your partner and vice versa, your partner can also ask you these questions about that particular topic. Now, first question. These are the sample questions given to you. You can add yours too. Was marks der Mann? Wohin fährt er? What do you think the man is doing? Where is he going? So, whatever in your mind, you can talk there, right? If suppose your partner asks you these type of questions. Wie fühlt sich der Mann Ihrer Meinung nach? How do you think the man is feeling? Now, suppose he is waiting for someone. So, is he bored, or what is he thinking? That what time the train will come? Simple sentences, maybe short and simple sentences. The answer will be in simple sentence. Or you can ask these questions. Waren Sie schon einmal in einen ähnlichen Situation? Have you ever been in a similar situation? If you are waiting for someone at the railway station, it's getting late. Suppose you have some other work also. Or if you are waiting for the train, if you are traveling somewhere, that can be the possibility. So these are the sample questions, and I have given you sample sentences also to speak. Okay, and obviously you can add yours here. These are just sample ones. You can talk with reference to these sentences and questions. So that's all for today, friends. Subscribe to my channel if you are preparing for B1. So these type of videos are coming up. That's all for today, friends. Thank you and bye bye.